Welcome to Bimbo Adeoye TV. Please, if you are watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe. We will be bringing to you a lot of interesting movies for review. Movies that are so interesting that you yourself will view and you will be thanking your stars that you are watching it. Those are the movies we are going to be giving you back to back their reviews. Movies that are yet to come out, that are still coming out, that are out already. Those are the movies we'll be giving you reviews on. Please subscribe under this video and turn on your notification button to receive our notification whenever we post any video. Very soon we'll be giving you reviews on movies that you did not expected, that they even have part 2, including part 3, so that you can be aware. Stay tuned to this channel because we'll be giving you lots of exciting movies review. Thank you.